Here's how to recover deleted TikTok videos. Now open up the TikTok app on your iPhone or Android, works the exact same. From here, let's tap on profile at the very bottom right. And let's say you deleted a video. Let's say this one. You tapped on the three dots at the very bottom right and swiped all the way over and tapped on delete. You can say when you do delete it, it says restore the post within 30 days to recover it. So let's hit the delete button and then get this back. We can get it back by tapping on those three lines at the very top right. And then from here, we're going to choose settings and privacy at the very bottom. Now from here, it's pretty easy. All you need to do is scroll down under content and display. You can see activity center. Just tap on that. And now you can see all of your activity. We're going to look for midway down where it says recently deleted videos. Tap on that. And keep in mind, it does say 30 days left. After those 30 days, you won't be able to recover these videos. So make sure you do it quickly. Just tap on that button. And to bring it back, tap on restore. And it says people will be able to view and interact with this again. Just tap on restore. And just like that, you can go back to your profile here and then swipe down to refresh. And that video will be back on your profile.